In the vastness of the open ocean, most life remains unseen. Beneath the surface, sunlight fades quickly, and the deeper we descend, the more mysterious the water becomes. Here, in the drifting currents of the pelagic zone, creatures live their entire lives far from land and far from human eyes. They move silently through endless blue, following invisible rivers of water that circle the planet. In this world, survival belongs to those perfectly adapted to the unknown. Among the most extraordinary of these drifters is the Blanket Octopus. The female is one of the ocean's most elegant swimmers. Stretching between her arms is a delicate membrane, a living veil that flows through the water like silk. But this beauty hides remarkable strength. Unlike most octopuses that cling to the seafloor, the Blanket Octopus lives in open water. It glides effortlessly through the ocean, adjusting its body with precise movements of its arms. When threatened, the membrane expands, making the octopus appear far larger than it really is. A graceful drifter, perfectly adapted to the endless blue. Deeper still, where sunlight barely reaches, another strange creature drifts through darkness, the Barreleye Fish. At first glance, it appears almost unreal. Its head is transparent, revealing a pair of glowing green eyes inside. These tubular eyes can rotate upward, allowing the fish to scan the waters above for prey. Floating almost motionless, it waits patiently in the dim blue twilight. In a world where visibility is limited, seeing clearly can mean the difference between hunger and survival. Near the deep sea floor lives one of the ocean's most unusual octopuses, the Dumbo Octopus. Named for the ear-like fins on its mantle, it moves in a way unlike any other octopus. Instead of crawling across rocks, it swims gently through the water. Its fins flap rhythmically, almost like wings. In the quiet darkness of the deep sea, this delicate motion allows it to glide effortlessly above the ocean floor. Here, thousands of meters below the surface, life moves slowly, but with remarkable precision. But the deep ocean is not only home to gentle drifters, it is also the realm of ancient predators. The Goblin Shark is one of the strangest sharks ever discovered. With its elongated snout and pale skin, it appears almost prehistoric. For millions of years, this species has hunted in deep waters far from sunlight. When prey comes close, the Goblin Shark performs one of the fastest feeding strikes in the ocean. Its jaws launch forward in an instant, snatching prey before it can escape. A hunter perfectly designed for life in the shadows. Closer to shore, in the forests of swaying kelp, lives a master of disguise, the Leafy Seadragon. Covered in delicate leaf-like appendages, it blends seamlessly with the seaweed around it. But unlike the drifting plants it imitates, the sea dragon is constantly in motion. Tiny fins along its body propel it slowly through the water. Each movement is subtle, almost invisible. In these underwater forests, camouflage is the ultimate survival strategy. To predators, the Leafy Seadragon is simply another piece of drifting seaweed. Across the ocean, countless creatures travel unseen through shifting currents. Some drift gracefully through open water. Others patrol the darkness in search of prey. And some hide in plain sight among underwater forests. Together, they form a hidden world, vast, complex, and still largely unexplored. Even today, the ocean continues to reveal creatures that seem almost impossible. A reminder that beneath the waves lies one of the last great frontiers on Earth. silent, mysterious, and endlessly alive.